Ay, aba, gusto na din mag-aral ang gwapo. Hmm? Kiles! Kiles! Writing already?
Buksan.
Bakit gwapong-gwapo ka? Why you're so handsome? Why you're so handsome? Hmm. 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 Bakit napakagwapo mo? Kagigil ka eh, ho? Kumangasar ka eh, no? Gwapo-gwapo mo eh. Hmm? Let us sleep na. Hmm. Why you're so handsome? Oh. Gwapong bata, oh. Gwapo. Good night na, bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Good night na. Sleep na kay nanay is sleepless. Show your tongue. Mm.
Progress one!
Contractor.
Smile.
Ano ba yan?
Straight. Oh, smile, smile ka. Ang gwapo naman ng baby namin.
Ito lagi nagbabantay sa akin. How about you, Paul? Go down. Oh, baby.
Ading. Maria, ha?
Let's go, Ate. Let's go. Let's go first. Let's go. He wants to stand.
Stand.
Let him do it. He's learning. Let him. He's learning.
Say hi to nanay.
Thank you, Father Frank. Tita Jonas.
Ninong Jonas.
Ninang Jonas.
Ninang Jessica.
Ninang Jessica.
What else? What do you want to say pa?
Love you.
Dami pera? Tukok-tutok.
Doon ka na magdano doon palapit.
Takot.
Let's talk about
Okay, very good. Picture tayo?
disco picture daw.
What's that? Wow! It's big. Other one pa. Wow! What's that? The cell phone. Wow, nice. You love that? What will you say? Thank you, nanay, tatay.
Wow!
Wow! Are you happy? Are you happy? You have your own room? Wow! Wow! Wow!
Ay, ang hirap.
Okay na, Manos.
Ang hirap. Ay.
Wag aki.
Ayan na yan. Hindi na.
Bata-bata pa, cellphone ang gustong laruin.